This self-care exercise can be very helpful when trying to alleviate the tension that you collect in your lower back area. We're working specifically with the quadratus lumborum muscle. It runs along either side of the lumbar vertebra. You start lying down comfortably on the floor. It could be on your bed, on the carpet, on a folded blanket, whatever makes you comfortable. And you start with your legs together midline. You simply take your left leg and move it out to the side. This is called abduction. Next, you simply use a rolled up towel and you want to place it right under the front top of your hip. We call this the ASIS. You're raising this right hip up in order to create slack of the left quadratus lumborum. Be sure to turn your head in the same direction as the raised hip. Stay there for 7 to 10 seconds or until you feel like a shift has occurred. And then you simply remove the towel and do the exercise on the other side. This self-care exercise is called the roast turkey, and you'll see why shortly. It can be very helpful for releasing the strain of a low back pain. It eases the transition between the thoracic and the lumbar curves in the spine. You start on the floor comfortably. Go ahead and bend your knees. Place the feet on the floor, and you'll need a pillow. You can also use a rolled up towel if you'd like. Place the pillow underneath the pelvis. Be sure not to get it underneath the low back, but underneath the pelvis. From here, you bring your knees up towards the chest and you find the most comfortable position. Where in this range, towards the chest or away, does your back feel the most comfortable? When you find that spot, simply use your hands to rest and hold your thighs. You can stay there as long as you find it comfortable. The roast turkey.